Okay, what is this, puppy?
Flowers?
Flower, good job.
It's joking.
What is this?
It's joking.
What's that? Dominic. Dominic, what's that? Dominic. What's that?
Ladybug.
Good job. What else? What else can mommy draw?
This one?
Oh, what is this? Ay, don't move me, puppy. What's that?
Snail.
What is that?
Snail.
That's not a snail. What is that?
Snail. Snail.
What is that?
Snail.
That's a snail. Good job. What is this then?
Snake.
A snake. Good job.
Snake bug snake. And snail.
Yeah. What else? What other weird bugs does mommy know how to draw?
Bugs.
You want to count them? Count 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. 4 drawings. We got more drawings so we can count. Come on, let's count them again. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 drawings. Good job. Awesome job, Dominic. Can you give me a smile? Dominic. Dominic. Cheese. Say hello.